Hey guys, this is Sebastian with FOGO Charcoal. We're back at the FOGO Charcoal warehouse, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble the M-Grill's M16 with the competition card. Let me show you how to do it. Man, I wish it was gonna be as easy as this to put this thing together. Alright guys. It's like hard. Ta-da! Now it's time to put the M16 together. First, we're going to install the tell-true thermometer. Next, we're going to install the three handles. One is going to be installed on the lid and the other two on either side of the grill. To complete the assembly, attach the M16 to the competition card. Then insert the ash box and then the charcoal basket. The 4-vent draft system allows for precision temperature control. The bottom vent sits right below the charcoal basket and above the ash pan. This allows for unobstructed airflow for consistent temperatures. The M16 is built like no other grill on the market. This is not your typical flimsy stainless steel grill. The M16 is handcrafted from thick 12-gauge 316 marine grade stainless steel, which is twice as thick as competitors. Every M16 is handcrafted by highly skilled fabricators. This is not a mass-produced grill on an assembly line. Every M16 is built with passion. We have completely TIG welded the M16 solid, and it has gasket seals on the lids. You will never have an issue with leaking smoke from warped doors or poorly made craftsmanship. The M16 will give you peace of mind when it comes to performance and longevity. Alright guys, I hope you liked what you saw about the M16 today. I'm gonna take it now, and I'm gonna cook on it, and then we're gonna post some videos for you guys to see how it performs. Alright guys, see you soon.